Hi, my name's Jessica, and I have no idea what I'm doing. Especially today. Just every day. We know that. But today, I'm going to be playing with a new product, which is what I usually do anyway. This is the Elf Velvet Touch Eyeshadow in Island Breeze. Let me actually show it to you. There we go. So, my friend gave me this for my birthday. Oh, wow. Okay. See why it's called Velvet Touch. Oh, I should be doing this for you guys. Hello. So the first one, I don't know, looks like that. I already kind of did it, but I'll do another one. Did I say my friend got me this for my birthday? What the heck? So they're more like a cream. That is very interesting. Oh, wow. Okay. That one's very thick. Or maybe I just went in too much. Wow, they're like all creams. Was not expecting that. But anyway, yes, my friends know me well. They know what I like. I was actually gonna buy this, but I said, oh, Jessica, you don't really need it, you know. So I was good and I didn't buy it, and then my friend bought it. Well, those are horrible swatches. I said I was gonna get better at swatches and I haven't gotten any better at them, I'm sorry. But yeah, of course I'm drawn to this little range right here. This I think will make a nice highlight. This seems to be the only matte one, but it's a cream, so I don't know how that's gonna work. So we're gonna find out. Okay, so I'm gonna try and go in with the fluffy brush from Wish into the peach shade. It's kind of like a satin. No, this is not picking up. My mother making a lot of noise in the kitchen. Even though Mom's my biggest fan, I shouldn't be mad at her. She watches all my videos. That's not working. How am I gonna do this then? Why don't I try this brush from Elf? I think it's the contour brush? I don't know. Let me see. I'm going to try and go into that peach. Not really. Okay. So this isn't going well. Maybe if I just try my darn finger. Okay. There is color happening now. I sense, well, I was gonna say I sense so many of you cringing right now, but there's only like 4 of you. But if any of the real makeup gurus see this, here I am just applying cream shadows all over my eye with my fingers. So now I'm using my pinky to get some of that brown in there. Deeper into the crease. In case you couldn't tell, I was very much unaware that these were cream eyeshadows. Okay, I'm kind of afraid to go more. So I'm just gonna go into the green and go here with it, the inner half, or maybe the inner 2/3. And then I'm gonna use the cranberry shade and go on the outer third. That's pretty. They're pigmented and all too. My concern is that because it's all cream and my eyes are very hooded, that's my concern. Concerned if they're going to, like, how bad are they gonna crease? You know what I mean? And then I'm just gonna go in with the white goldy kind of shade and highlight the brow bone. Now, that being said and done, I think these are probably best used just on the lid because they're creams. I don't know. Even me, a fake makeup guru, doesn't usually do it like this. Creams I usually only do on the lid, or even sometimes the lower lash line, not for the whole look. But that's okay, so we tried something new, and it's just makeup. If we don't like it, it comes off later. So I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics brush with a 5 on it, and I'm going to attempt to pick up some color and put it on the lower lash line. Okay, it's somewhat there. This is a denser brush, so that's why I went with that Elf contour brush before. I thought that would do it, but it didn't. So now I'm going in with the cranberry shade. Ooh, it's a little slippery. Okay, let me see if I can blend that out a little bit. That's intense. Okay, let me see if I can put some more of that here, just to make it match in intensity. Cool. I definitely like the green and the cranberry. I mean, I like the peach too. I'm gonna have to try that on its own. And I like this. These are okay. You know, that's not me. The brighter ones are me. But this looks nice for someone who likes like a shiny neutral kind of thing. And this is just a matte brown. As matte can be in a cream formula. Okay, so final thoughts. I'm not used to working with creams, at least in this way. So maybe I shouldn't have used them like this. They actually shear out, so if anyone feels intimidated by like these here, don't be, because to get that level of that's a little creepy, to get that level of intensity that I got there, I had to keep going back and building. So this one's more intense, but even so, if you really want it to get it like that, you have to keep building, because even mine doesn't look like that. So even though I'm the kind of person who just wants to, you know, just wipe it on and look like this, it's probably better, especially because they're creams and generally harder to work with, right? That's a thing. So yeah, if these are the colors you're into and you're into cream eyeshadows for, I think this is like $12, so why not? As for me, I'm not going to use them like this anymore. I'm only going to, you know, I'll be using them on the lid only. So that's it for today. I hope you're having a good day, whatever it is you're doing. The weather's nice where I am, so I'm gonna go enjoy it on my way to class. Bye!